Hi guys, my name is Johan from restoration.bike. In this video I'm going to cover the Shimano Fullfit pedals. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. The Shimano Fullfit pedals is one of the strangest retro pedals I've ever seen. The Koga Miyata Adventure I restored originally came with these pedals, but the bike only had one left. And since you can do very little with just one pedal, I decided to ditch it. They must have been quite rare because I've never seen these pedals in the wild before until I was able to pick it up secondhand for 10 euros. So what problem did the Shimano Fullfit pedals try to solve? Unfortunately, I couldn't find any information online about these pedals other than some other secondhand offerings. 1986 was the year Koga Miyata Adventure was introduced, but already in 1987 the Adventure type featured another standard non-caged touring pedals, which means that this type of pedal for Koga only lasted 1 year. The pedals are directional and can only be ridden on one side. They offer a toe clip adapter unit, but the toe clips that I received with it weren't the original ones and didn't fit. They are considerably bigger than the pedals I used from a donor bike I found, and look decidedly different from with their octagon-like platform. And the fact that you have a considerably larger platform does make them more comfortable than the rather tiny pedals I ran before. The platform kind of stays in the same plane because they are weighted at the bottom, and this makes them extremely heavy at 296 grams a piece, compared to the other already heavy steel pedal, which is 208 grams. The body was made from aluminum, so I was able to polish it nicely with both a Dremel and polishing wheel. And I've ridden pedals with toe clips extensively in the past, but always had the right type of shoes for them. And for convenience sake, I finally decided not to add the toe clips here, even after I had restored one of them already. So that's it for the Shimano Fullfit pedals. If anyone out there knows more about these pedals, I would love to hear some. And I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you for the next one as well. Bye for now.